Hey everybody, well, I just got this in a couple minutes ago, and I don't know, that just started making that noise. So I guess it's another one with bad bearings. The 10,000 B2 is going to be getting retired, uh, and going into light duty, so I can go in the garage. And it sounds like this one just volunteered itself too. So, yeah, if we move, these things are somebody else's problems. Pieces of shit. Yeah, that does not sound good. I don't know how long that one will last. It sounds a lot worse than the one inside. Yeah, and that one has gotten the least usage. But yeah, this junk is all 10 years old. Glad I didn't waste my time putting this one in the house. But I need to have an air conditioner out here, so otherwise it'll be damn hot in the patio here. As the other one has been completely taken out of service. It's waiting to go out.